Located in Shandong Province, Longkou is a radiant pearl in the Bohai Rim. It serves as a hub of land-sea transportation and is home to a port handling over 1 million tons of cargo annually. As one of the top 100 county in China, #1 county in the north, and a leading economy in the province, this dynamic industrial city magnetizes talents, enterprises, and opportunities. There are over 2,000 industrial enterprises, more than 400 enterprises above designated size, and 11 listed companies in Longkou. With these, 10 major industrial chains have been optimized and extended. To pursue better development, Longkou is upgrading the industrial foundation and modernizing the industrial chains, thus accelerating new industrialization. By fostering industrial clusters and cultivating new productive forces, immense potential is unleashed. As more and more progress has been achieved in reform and opening up for more than 30 years, Dawn strictly adheres to the core values of honesty, responsibility, diligence, gratitude, and develop 4 strengths of R&D: industry, industrial park, talents. Dawn Group now has evolved into a modern conglomerate integrating R&D, production, trading, logistics, and financial services, ranking among the top 500 private enterprises in China for several years in a row. Constructed and managed by Dawn Group, Longkou New Materials Science and Technology Industrial Park is situated in the northwest of Longkou City. Founded in 2001, the park lies adjacent to the port and high-speed rail, with the Dalai Long Railway running through it. The park covers an area of 23.5 square kilometers. Guided by the principle of 1 Fine and 3 Excellence, Dawn Group is committed to building fine industrial parks, developing wholly owned enterprises, collaborating with joint ventures, and providing excellent services to foreign-funded enterprises. Continuous efforts have been made to restore the natural ecology and establish the industry ecology, achieving the integration and development of 2 ecologies. Dawn seeks to create a beautiful park featuring 4 appropriateness and 4 enhancements. That is, good for work, business, living and travel, and make it civil, green, bright, beautiful. Boasting a well-connected 4 horizontal and 3 vertical road network spanning over 50 kilometers, Dawn Industrial Park engages in varied projects of utility pipelines and achieves full coverage of water, electricity, gas, and heating systems, equipped with comprehensive infrastructure, streamlined logistics, robust financial empowerment, and enabling business services. The park is able to end-to-end support for enterprises, from setup to full-scale production. Dawn Group strives to build 3 chains of new polymer material industry, titanium industry, and chemical equipment industry to meet the demand for advanced materials in industries including automotive, home appliances, new energy, healthcare, aerospace, next-gen IT, coatings, inks, papermaking, and petrochemical. Dawn Group endeavors to expand the new polymer material industry chain. Centered on polymer modification, the chain extends into upstream industries, including specialty resin, and collaborates with leading petrochemical firms to develop customized raw materials. It also expands into downstream high-end products, creating a fully integrated industry chain from R&D and polymerization to modification and application. Dawn Group aims to strengthen the titanium industry chain. It makes continued efforts to scale up titanium industry by accelerating the upstream layout of titanium mining and slag smelting. It is also fully tapping into titanium dioxide capacity in the midstream of the chain and extending into downstream products such as red or black iron oxide pigments, magnesium sulfate, and nanomagnetic materials. Thus, a colorful inorganic pigment chain will be formed, complemented by ultramarine production. Dawn Group continues to develop the chemical equipment industry chain, leveraging the expertise of Longgang Pump Company and Dongping Automated Instrument Company, which specialize in pumps, valves, and other gauges. Along with Dawn Group's industry edges, Dawn advances into high-end upstream casting, precision machining, and downstream integrated chemical equipment systems. The goal is to establish a world-class manufacturing base for premium chemical equipment. This is a favored destination for investment and a fortunate place for business. Shandong's pilot zone for transforming old and new growth drivers. The Bohai Economic Rim and the Jiaodong Economic Circle converge here to generate more combined effects. At the forefront of emerging industries, Longkou Dawn, New Material Science and Technology Industrial Park, has already attracted more than 40 enterprises. A thriving ecosystem has been established, where specialized projects flourish, quality firms cluster, and industrial chains expand. In the future, Dawn Industrial Park will keep on attracting investment based on the strengths of park, industries, and available capital. Efforts will be made to strengthen, consolidate, and extend industrial chains. Foster industrial clusters with distinctive features through chain-based strategies. Together with Yulong Petrochemical Park, Wanhua Low-Carbon Materials Park, and Yantai Chemical Industrial Park, Dawn aims to create a high-end, low-carbon material space along the Yellow Bohai Economic Rim. Take the lead in industry advancement. Shoulder responsibility for national prosperity. We cordially invite you to invest and grow your business in Longkou New Material Science and Technology Industrial Park. Let's work together to achieve shared success.